What's going on, guys? Ricky back with the another trade review. Quick recap of the overall market. We've seen new all-time highs today on ES and NQ. Some tech are starting to push, and there's a lot of catalysts going around, especially around Tesla. I know Elon Musk is talking. That stock crashed earlier today due to the fact that they are listing $5 billion of stock available to the public to get out of some debt. And it's rebounded. And yeah, so let's get into the trade breakdown. So we have my one trade of the day is FSLY, and then I obviously had Tesla, which paid nothing because I was in January monthlies. I have some open on my swing account still for January monthlies, but I added on the high day break, and then for Tesla, and then sold once I heard Elon Musk was talking, just because there's no need for me to be in like a 10 grand, 12 grand position with him talking. But first off, let's focus on FSLY. My entries were 10.07, as you can see here, and 10.09, and that resulted in a $290 loss. So let's break it down. Ticker is FSLY. FSLY. Let's go to a multi-week time frame so you guys can see what we are looking for here. FSLY had bad news about 2 months ago that they weren't going to get like a contract with TikTok or something, therefore it resulted in a gap down and they lowered guidance. Then we have a rounded bottom here on the weekly, and then this huge gap fill from 120 all the way to 95-ish was in play. It was on watch because if we go to the 20-day 1 hour, 2 days prior, there's news about an acquisition that they were trying to do. As you guys can see, the stock ripped from 82 to 23. The reason I was able to find FSLY is because I traded it before, and actually it's setting up very good on the hourly into close, but that's not what we're here for. So let's go to the intraday time frame. I'm an opening drive kind of player. That's kind of my style. Unfortunately, I had a final exam today, so I was not able to catch the opening drive. It wasn't my top watch. My top watch was FedEx, and but I still wasn't able to trade any of that. Let me see here, one sec, guys. So let's get into the trade breakdown. Like I said, this resulted in about a 3% loss, a 2.9 or $290 loss. I got basically trapped in a high of day trap. I figured that this 100 level right here, as you guys can see, I'll make it a different color so it's easier to see. It did not break, and I was anticipating the break of it, and it didn't. So I had to manage my risk accordingly. So my first position, let's look here. My first position I entered at, we can go to the 1 minute. I entered at 10.07 and 10.09, so let's go to the 1 minute and check this out real quick. I'm trying to keep this video short, so yeah, we'll keep it short after this. But so 10.07 and 10.09. 10.07 is right. 10.07, 10.07, 10.07, or is that the exits? I'm sorry, let me look here. 10.07 and 10.09, so it's going to look different, but the entry was right here at 10.07, and then at 10.09 the exit was right there. So it was actually right here. Here, let's move these so you guys can see. Activate drawing, arrow. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show it on multiple time frames, but we're gonna do it here. 1 second, guys. Arrow 2. No, so what happened here is, if you go to the 5 minute, it pulled back to the 9 EMA. It was unable to hold, and therefore I cut my loss here. The premiums eventually did go about 20 to 25% on this run up. However, the key to this video and the key to the entirety of trading is to keep your losers small. This was just an okay setup. I shouldn't even have taken it in the first place. And once I realized I was wrong, it was fast enough, and therefore it only resulted in a $290 loss. And it could have resulted in a couple $1,000 loss had it gone against me. And then I recovered today. I hopped in January Tesla calls on the higher day pops. It paid $706, so that leaves me with a profit of $416 on the day. Like I said, I'm now done with my third semester or my last semester of college. So yeah, I'm really excited for this, and let's kill it the rest of the week. Some tickers that I'm watching are let's see, we got FedEx continuation, we have PayPal over 220, TWLO over 330, target 340, target all time high. Stamp is a great swing over 200. And that is about it. So with that, thanks for watching and peace.